Before I start this video, I want you to know that I am Ukrainian. So if my voice or just some words or stuff have some mistakes spelling or just some errors, mistakes, well, that's the reason. So now let's begin this video. Method number 1. Uninstall and reinstall Roblox deeply. So, for this method we're going to use a program called Revo Uninstaller. Going to leave of course the link for this program in the description of this video. Right, let's open it, install it. English okay, accept everything. Alright. Open it. Going to have a page like this. You have to uninstall Roblox and Roblox Studio in case you have Roblox Studio. So yeah, you install Roblox. I don't recommend to do a system restore point because it's useless. I'm going to take like 2 minutes to do or so. So continue now. I'm going to have something like this. I'll click on advanced, scan. Select all, delete, yes. Select all, delete, yes. Alright. And close this. Empty your recycle bin. Now we have to delete it in the local update. So click Windows key plus R and write this command that is % local update %. Click on OK and delete the Roblox folder like this, and once again empty your recycle bin. Now just go on any Roblox game and just reinstall Roblox. And yeah, everything still works like normally. Let me actually do max graphics. And yeah, everything works fine as you can see. Yeah. And so this was the first method of this video. Method number 2. Update graphics drivers. So in this method I'm going to show you how to update your GPU or GPU's drivers. So in this case you can use programs like Task Manager, Device Manager and DXDiag. They are all system programs, they are all implemented already in your system. You just can click on search and write them. In this case I'm going to use Device Manager. Is the most secure one, and have all the details and everything, so I'm going to use this one. So most probably if you are watching this video, I am pretty sure you are a user with integrated graphics. Practically your graphics card is inside your CPU, so yeah. For this case you have to click on processors. And as you can see, I have like Core i7 10758. So with these few images, you will understand what is your brand, tire, generation, model, and the letter stands for what is made your CPU. Anyways, you click on display adapters. As you can see, mine is an Intel UHD graphics and one NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060. Practically you have to go on your vendor website. In this case I'm going to update my Intel GPU first. Here can be AMD. Also I go on my Intel. You can search drivers manually or you can search them automatically. So in this case I'm going to click on support and auto-update your drivers. Going to download and install this program. Going to ask for admin stuff, just accept everything to make sure everything works correctly. So now I have to reboot my computer. So now that I did restarted my computer, you have to click in this button that is show hidden icons. Click here, going to have a pop-up with this range key. Just right click on it and click on check for new drivers. You're going to open a web page where you're scanning your computer system, and yeah. In this case I have to update my Bluetooth killer, that is my Ethernet port, Wi-Fi, and yeah, my Intel graphics. So you just click on download all of them. So in this case you're going to have like this warning that is like not from your vendor, you know, a vendor like Asus, HP, Dell, Acer, Lenovo, these ones. Anyways, you click on I understand and click on install. Accept with administration in case it asks for. You can also search this manually. You just have to go like on support and download the center and go on the graphics section and, you know, type Intel here. Like in my case yours can be like even newer, like Intel Arc even. I'm just click like on this one and download it. In this case I already did it through my automatic. So now you're going to have something like this. Click on begin installation, I agree, execute a clean installation and start. So it did install my Intel UHD graphics, but like the audio driver like didn't make it successful, so like it did fail for the audio driver. Anyways, it did take it like 5 minutes to install it, and yeah. So now I'm going to try it again, but my Intel driver did got updated successfully. In fact, if I check inside my task manager, I can click CTRL, Shift and S. Inside the performance section, it's updated to the 2023, so it's okay. I'm going now to reboot my computer and I don't know, retry it again or just leave it, because the point is just your graphics driver, nothing other. So now as you can see, everything did go well. So all I have you to do is just reboot your computer and that's it. So now let's talk about AMD users. It's practically same as Intel. You just go on the website, like the AMD website. You go on resources and support. Of course, I'm going to leave everything inside my video, link in the description. So yeah, I'm going to have something like this. You can click on download Windows drivers and you're good to go. It's going to detect all your drivers, all of your drivers automatically and this stuff. If you are not sure or just, you know, a bit of stress, anxiety, this stuff, just go on YouTube and search how to update your AMD GPU driver and you are good to go. Same thing, you can do it manually. Just click on processor with graphics or professional graphics. You have like, I don't know, like this. With most probably have like processor with graphics, AMD Ryzen. Maybe I don't know, have maybe some AMD Ryzen 7 mobile or some desktop one. Just choose, you know, your CPU, like this one, submit, choose your Windows version and download it manually if you want, or do it manual or automatically. This is how your installation going to be like, and it's going to take up to 5 minutes to 10 minutes and maybe even less, depends from your computer, of course. This is how your AMD control panel going to be like. As you can see, there's a section for update and manage your drivers, GPU drivers, and every time AMD going to push a new driver update for your GPU, just come here and easily update them. And so this was for AMD users, how to update your GPU driver. Now let's pass to NVIDIA users. So now is for the NVIDIA users, just like mine. Just simply like the others one, inside your browser. Just go here, inside the official website, click on drivers. Going to leave a link in the description. In this case, it didn't automatically detect it because sometimes it detects it automatically. What you have to do is just go here inside your device manager and check your GPU name. In this case, mine is a NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU. So with these few images, we'll understand what is your NVIDIA GPU. So product series, it's a 30 series notebook GPU. Product, mine is a RTX 3060. Operating system, mine is a Windows 11. Yeah, game ready. In case you want to do like some modeling stuff, I can choose a studio driver, but in this case it's just for gaming, so game ready driver. English US, can choose one of those. Search and download. Most probably when I'm going to install the drivers, this recording going to be interrupted, most probably. I'm not sure, maybe not, maybe yes. I'm going to check it alone. So now open your NVIDIA driver. I don't know why. Accept in case it asks for administration stuff. Click on OK. Takes like a while, not even a lot, like depends from your computer, of course. This recording most probably going to be now interrupted sooner or later. So here you can choose to have GeForce Experience. Just a program where you can, I don't know, manage a bit your settings of your NVIDIA GPU and have also the section to have always your drivers up to date, like going to show you latest drivers available for your NVIDIA GPU. So now it finished the installation. I choose installing the NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So practically the GeForce Experience looks like going to ask for your login and stuff. You have to make a GeForce Experience account. So let me log in really quickly. You just simply go on the drivers, here you get always your latest NVIDIA driver. You are good to go on these settings, key like right here. I'm going to have something like this, PS7, yeah, something like this. Here you can see like my rig, my device specification, what it supports, what it doesn't support, games and apps, the NVIDIA Shield. In case it's a NVIDIA Shield is just a device like it's an Android box TV, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But practically it's made most for like drivers updates, so like get automatically all your drivers here. And yeah, this was all the three methods, like for the three vendors to update your GPU driver. And yeah, that's it. This was the method. Method number 3. Fix Windows through commands. So in this method we're going to use commands. In this case I have like this command list I'm going to leave in the description of this video. Open your command prompt with administration and just copy and paste. Going to take like few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, maybe 2, something like this. Alright, now it's done. Now you can open your PowerShell You most probably have this one. Anyways, run it with admin, and use these 3 commands, like download the file that is corrupted in your computer and fix it. Alright, so the one with ScanHealth is completed. Now run these other 2 and you're good to go. Once you completed these 2 commands, you have to reboot your computer. Alright, that's good. So now you completed the restore. I have to reboot my computer to maybe apply some changes. And you can try Roblox and see if it fixes it. If not, pass to the next method. Method number 4, through compatibility mode. This method is most recommended for like all the computers from 5 years old, 6 years old, something like this, or computers back from 2014, something like this. If you have here the Roblox launcher on your desktop, right click on it, open file location. There we go, you have like this 3, 1. What you do is just right click on them and click on properties and go on compatibility. And I would recommend that you try Windows 8 or Windows 7, one of these 2. You can also try reduce color mode, but this really for like really bad old GPUs. This tutorial bad GPUs. Like this section is just for graphics cards. Change the DPI maybe helps. I'm not sure, but maybe helps. But I would more recommend that you run like one of those. You apply for this one, click on OK. You apply for the installer, apply yes, and apply for the player beta. That is your actual, Roblox. You have to click on Roblox player. Let's see if it works. Let's see, it's running on Windows 8. Yeah, it works just perfectly fine. Try this method for all computers. Method number 5, through firewall. So in this method we're going to allow Roblox through firewall. Practically you have to open your control panel, click on System and Security, click on Windows Defender Firewall, and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And right here, click on Change Settings, allow another app, click on Browse to just go on desktop, right click on Roblox Player and click on Open File Location. And you have to add the launcher, the beta, just for security, the installer. So add the launcher, open, yeah, just like this, add this one, browse, add the installer, okay, and add Roblox beta. Alright, you have to allow all of them, private and public, like all of them, just like this. And yeah, good to go. Click on OK and you are good to go. And check now if Roblox works for you. Method number 6, Windows Update. So in this method we're going to do some Windows updates. Just open your settings, click on Windows Update, check for updates. So as you can see, there is one for Microsoft Defender antivirus, and yeah. If you have like more of them, of course it's going to take some time, maybe a few minutes, maybe half an hour, 2 hours, who knows. Anyways, you just do all of your updates and and try Roblox and see if it works. Method number 7, another browser. So in this method we're going to change your browser or just switch your browser anyways. Just open your internet and I don't know, you can download Opera GX, Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge and any other browser that you know. Okay, we're going to download Firefox because it's like, I don't know, I think it's the most reliable one, the easiest to run, like just the perfect one. Allow it through administration. Alright, in this case I have already installed it before. Now just reinstalling it. But for you, you're going just to have something like this and you're good to go. Once you're here, you just go on Roblox and do your login. So now you just click on any game and open it. And yeah, as you can see, it works just fine. This is because maybe your current browser maybe launch Roblox a different way and have maybe some problems and this stuff. Method number 8. Upgrade from Windows 11 to 11. So in this method we're going to do something like upgrading your PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But we don't going to actually update from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You just do update, but update on update. I cannot explain this. But this will fix all your corrupted files. Maybe some stuff didn't go well. Maybe some programs manage some system stuff and gone wrong on your computer. Anyway, something bad inside your system. And practically through this method you're going practically to fix it. So go on this website that I'm going to leave in the description. So here you have to write like Windows 11 or Windows 10, your Windows version and the build number. For the build number click res Windows plus R, write WinVer, and as you can see there is version 22H2 and there is OS build. You have to remember your OS build number and write it here. So like Windows 11 and yeah, like this. Search. Here as you can see there is like the update. There is like the full Windows installation with the latest of the build of your computer. And an update for the ARM, and yeah, the ARM it's a mobile architecture like your phone. It's a fully different story. You most probably have a normal computer, so download the FAIR64. Make sure that this version there is like no written update or stuff. Now click on choose your language and click on next. Select your Windows edition. You can go in the settings and check what is your Windows edition, or just practically you can go on settings and go on activation. As you can see, I have the Enterprise edition. Enterprise edition is part of the Pro edition, so I can disable the home and leave only the Pro. So click on next, choose this one. I would like to recommend also run all of this for create. You can see there is a ISO file. I create a folder, call it, I don't know, Windows. And now I just click on this one. I'm going maybe to have pop up like this. You run it anyway. Oh yeah, it asks for administration, accept, and in this case. And he's going to do everything automatically. And then this process will take up to 20-30 minutes, maybe even 1 hour, 2 hours, depending from your computer, but it actually should be really fast if you didn't choose too much stuff to download and do. So yeah, Yeah, just downloading now all the stuff. So after he finished downloading all the stuff, going to have a blue screen like this, and that's the part where he like get all these packages, all this stuff downloaded all in one to get this update. So here we go. It passed like I don't know, like 1 hour is passed, and it's because of the file compression to create this file. It takes like really a lot of time. Like I'm not joking. Like take a lot of time. If they take like 1 hour 30 minutes to do for me, for you, if you have like a lower powerful machine, like this will take like you maybe 2 to 3 5 hours. Like I am not sure, but it may take it like a lot of time. Anyways, once you get to this point, you click the number 0 on your keyboard, so number 0. Once you do it, you can go inside Windows. Here we go, this is your file. You practically double click on it, or you can click on mount. Anyways, I double click on it. You're going to have something like this. Anyways, click on stop, accept. You're going to say like some stuff now, like alright, I want alright. Click now next. Right. Anyways, you accept. Anyway, you just click on install, and yeah, you're going to have a screen like this. This is actually just a screen. You can click Windows plus D, and this is a fake screen, but it's just a fake screen. You can click Windows plus D, you can use your computer normally. Here we go. This is just some UI stuff. You can chill out. Anyways, I closed this recording before he really restarted, and my recording going to be loose. So now that it finished updating, practically this process will take like up to 1 hour and 30 minutes for you. I don't know how much it will take. So everything now is completed. I have to eject the ISO file. Going to have something like this. Just right click on it and click on eject. You're good to go. And you can delete this folder. You don't need this folder anymore. You can empty your recycle bin, yes, and delete that. Let me show you. We'll have this folder. This folder weighs like how much? The size will be like 40 gigs, 80 gigs, like really a lot. So you have to delete this folder. Right, clean. Run with administration. You select your partition where Windows is installed. You can pretty much select all of them, like Defender, update stuff. You're going to have a warning message like this. You click on yes if you want to delete this folder. So it did finish applying like a update onto your same Windows version and everything. And this was the method. Method number 9, Microsoft Store Roblox. So this is most probably the last method. I really hate this method. Practically you have to run Roblox through the Microsoft Store. I never liked this version because it's not well optimized like the desktop one, but through the years they fixed it, like really fixed it a lot, but there is still a bit some stuttering stuff. But this is seriously like the last thing you can do is play through Microsoft Store. There will be like a install button, you install it and you're good to go. You can see it works. So like, alright, this game is really intensive. You can get like 30 FPS, stuff like this. It's not optimized as I said, like but just maybe this is just a part of the map that is not that optimized, but pretty much okay. I don't know why it's so CPU intensive, like look at this. Look how much it uses my CPU, and it's not a really simple CPU, it's a gaming CPU, so it's a pretty powerful CPU, but look how much it's not well optimized. But anyways, it's like the only way to make it run on your computer. I don't know, I don't know really what about to say. Roblox is not really done for all computers, it's done for certain computers, and that's what really I can say. Anyways, this was all the methods. Method number 10. Use a VPN. So you maybe was thinking that was the last method. That's not the last method. In reality, there should be like few more methods, but this video will be then too long, so yeah, this is most probably the real last one. Anyways, in this method we're going to use a VPN. In this case we're going to use a whole VPN. I'm going to use this VPN because it's like, I think, the only VPN that I can use for free. And just for test to see if you need a VPN or not. Of course, there's the paid version that is really fast, like your normal internet connection in your home, and yeah. Now let's install it and check if you need a VPN. So here we go. You have to log in, you have to create an account or log in with Google or Apple ID, and yeah. So let me log real quickly, let me show. So here we go. Here you can also choose any other country like United States, Argentina, Italy, Hungary, Poland, anyways, practically all of the countries. You can click on this button and it should connect to one of those countries. Sometimes it can't work or it's just buggy, just close this window and reopen it, just like this. As you can see from the icon already, it's connected, but sometimes it just won't show. As you can see here, it's connected to the United States. And you should be able now to run Roblox. Anyways, it did crash it. I don't know why. This is a really strange virtual machine. Really strange. Anyways, you can also use these 3 files that I'm going to leave in the description of this video. Copy them. Open the Roblox location, that is, this one. You paste here, continue with the administration, and you're good to go. And you have to check if it runs now. As you can see here, it won't let me pass. I don't know why, it's a really strange error for this virtual machine. It is a really weird virtual machine. I sometimes use virtual machines just for fun, to test, just the graphics, the stuff. I just like using, sometimes play with virtual machines. And this is a really weird one. Won't launch Roblox. This is the first virtual machine that I see won't launch Roblox. If I check the logged files, just press Windows plus R, write this thing right here, click on OK, and go inside the Roblox folder, inside the logs. You can click sort and the shading and data modified. Click the latest log and you can see what's wrong. It's really weird. It tries to connect to internet and load all the UI, all the images of the games, your account, just everything. It failed. I don't know why. I tried every method that I did show you in this video, didn't help either. I don't know why. It won't let me pass. I don't know. Last thing I could do is literally just delete Windows and reinstall it completely. This is the last thing you could ever do to run it normally. And I don't know why, it just happens. If you have an error like this, just let me know in the comments. If you have an error like this, just write in the comments. I will check personally and let's see if I can help you. And of course it runs only through the Microsoft Store. So yeah, if I write Roblox and click on open, it will of course open the Roblox version of Microsoft Store, but it's not good at all. So this is the last method you could ever try, is the Hola VPN, and see if it runs through these files or through this one. Anyways, If you have never liked this virtual machine, write me in the comments and leave me the log file. That's it. And also, to be more sure everything works correctly, give me also your device specification, like how much RAM it has, what processor it has, the CPU, and what GPU it has, like something like this, and what Windows version it runs, and yeah, and I will check personally if your computer is good to go. So if one of those methods at least did work for you, subscribe, leave a like and a comment. If you have any problem, questions, go in the comments. I will check personally. If you need to do something, I will find for you what is required to run Roblox. And that's pretty much it. I'm most probably going to leave a few more videos in the future because this is not the last one. As you can see, Roblox still keep crashing. I tried every of my methods, none of them did work. So most probably we'll find out alone in the future. Anyways, if it did work, subscribe, leave a like and leave a comment. That's it. Problems, questions, just in the comments. I will check personally. That's it. Bye bye.